So here is the updated tracker list of 2026. Many of my viewer and of course if they are using the old tracker list, then you may face the connecting to peer or slow download speed issue. So for that reason I have updated the tracker list. In my description you will get all these updated tracker list, and you will apply this in any application like uTorrent, BitTorrent or QBitTorrent. So you just copy and then you will add in your tracker list. Of course if you don't know how it's work, then I will show you. Let's see, here is one download file and it is the same problem as connecting to peer issue, and also when it is started it's also getting a slow speed and connecting to peer issue. So what I will do, I will stop first of all this download from downloading. I will stop it, and what I will do, I will again check the bandwidth allocation must to be high, and also you will set the upper cap of like the download limit must be unlimited, and also the upload speed you will keep the on your desire. Mostly you can keep it also as unlimited or up to like 100 mbps 200 or something that so the main thing is here you can see you will double click it and then you will add the tracker as I will provide you in my description list. This is the updated list. So what I will do now, I will start. As you can see, the connecting to peer issue is fixed, and you will see this downloading speed will be increased in a second because I have updated all the tracker, and I am getting a good result on any file when I want using my uTorrent or QBitTorrent or any other of torrenting file. So these are the common issue that you can face to the connecting to peer issue or slow download speed. So if you need any help, here is a complete playlist is available in this channel. Thanks for watching.